Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how minus function works in Spark SQL. So what is minus function? What generally it does? So minus will return a set of records containing only records in the same table on which minus function has been called, but those records are not present in other table. So what does it mean? So suppose there is a table, it has 10 records and we are calling the minus function on that particular table. So and there are another table which has 5 records. So how the minus function will going to behave? It will return the records which are present in the source table. For instance, say 2 records are present in the source table, but those records are not present in the target table. I will show you in the exercise what does it means. If you are not able to understand at that point of time, it's okay, but you will get to know once I will show you in the exercise over Databricks. There's another things known as a minus all. It will going to do the same thing, but it will preserve the duplicates. What does it means by duplicates? So suppose in the source table there are 2 records, those are duplicates, and 1 record present in the target table. So how it will going to behave? In the minus all, so in the minus, if it is present in the target table, those records will not be visible in the resulting collection of records. But since there are two records, and those are duplicates which are present in the source table, then 1 records will be visible. I will show you in when once I will do the practical exercises. No, so I will show you how this minus function will going to behave and how and what does it means that it also preserve duplicates. So the exercise which I am going to do, in that exercise I am creating this table AP employee source for minus, and this is the 5 attributes of this table, and the type of the table is delta, and with the help of an insert statement I am inserting 6 records in it. So let's first create this table in the Databricks. So let's create a notebook. Name it as minus. Now let's create a table. Create. If not exist, name of the table is AP. AP employee source. What are the attributes of this table? AP ID, AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, AP city, and type of the table is let's run it. This table has been successfully created. Let's validate it, right? So let me duplicate here, and this is the catalog. In the default section, you can see this AP employee source for minus. This table has been created successfully. So let's insert some records in it. To insert records, we need to create insert statement. To save time, I have already created the insert statement. Let me copy from here and paste in this command cell and run it. Now Spark is executing this insert statement one by one. The insertion process is going on. Let's wait till it gets completed. So all the insert statement has been run successfully. Now let's do a select to see all the records are inserted successfully in this table or not. Select star from. See, all the records has been inserted successfully. That's why when we are doing a select statement on this table, we are getting all those records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Let's go to the PPT. So this table creation and insertion activity we have done successfully. Let's now what we are doing again, we are just creating a table. Name of the table is AP employee target for minus. The same attributes are there which we the table which we have created earlier for the source, and the type of the table is delta. With the help of a insert statement, we are inserting 6 records in this table. Once this table gets created and all this insert statement runs successfully, so what I will going to do, I will perform a minus between these two tables. This is the source table and this is the target table. So what minus will do, it will select those records which are present in the source table, but those records are not present in the target table. After that, we will going to see how minus will going to work. So what minus will going to do, it will fetch all the it will fetch all the records which are present in the source table, but those records are not present in the target tables, and it will also maintain the duplicates. So I will show you how, what does it means, how it maintains the duplicates, what does it means. Once I will do this minus or exercise. So let's create the table and let's insert some records in the target table. So let's go to the Databricks again. Let's create a target table. So the attributes are same. So let me copy the code through which I have created the source table. Here I need to change the name of the table from source to target, and each and everything will remain same. Let's run it. So this table gets completed successfully. Now we can see, we can validate from here. We can validate from here that this AP employee target for minus this table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records in this table. So to insert the records in this table, we need to create the insert statement. To save time, I have already created this insert statement. Let's insert the records in this table. Let's run it. The insert statements are executing one by one. So we need to wait till this all the insert statement run successfully. Okay, so all the insert statement has been run successfully. Let's do a select to see that these records are present in the table or not. So do a select star from this table. We can see these 6 records are present in this table which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Right. Now see, now, okay, let's do the minus function. So how it generally behave. So to do the minus function, first we need to do select star from the source table. What is the source table? The source table name is this one. Minus select star from target table. What is the name of the target table? This is the name of the target table. Let's format this command cell. Let's run. So we can see the output is 4 records. APID 103, 105, 102 and 104. We can able to figure it out. These records are present in the source table, but these records are not present in the target table. We can validate from here. Let's see in the source table. This 103 is present. What is the 103, 5, 2 and 4? 3, 5, 2 and 4. These records are present in the source table, but those records are not present in the target table. 5 is not present. This 102 is present, but this AP state and AP city has a difference. You can see 102, 102. This record, this AP state and AP city has a different value. That's why it is not picking up. And 105, 105 is JNE, 105 records. Okay, 105 AP ID is not present in the target. That's why it is fetching only those records. These are the 4 records which are present in the target source table, but these 4 records are not present in the target table. Now let's see how the minus all will going to behave. Let's do minus all and run it. We can see apart from 3, 5, 2 and 4, one more records came, that is 101. So let's validate 101 in source table. The 101, this 101, there are 2 records are present in the source table, here and here, right? And this, if you see in the target table, 101 is present. This 101 is present. So it is considering that one records it is matching, so that record will not going to be a part of minus all, but since it has duplicates, so one records it will be present the record sets which we are generating with the help of a except all function. That's why I means that it preserves the duplicates. So it has a duplicates value. One record is present in target table. So one record it will neglecting, but one record which is present extra, that is duplicate in the source table, that is a part of the minus all resultant collection of records. So in this exercise, we have seen how we can create a table, how we can insert records in the table, how we can perform minus function between two tables, and we have also seen which kind of a records it will going to generate if we do a minus all between two tables. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.